So we've just arrived here at Bardon. We're doing a complete retrofit of this house. We're removing the old system, a non-springer system, whole thing's coming up. What we're gonna do is replace it with a massive 33.44 kilowatt SolarEdge system for a residential house, 30 kilowatt hours of batteries. Can't wait to show you. Let's get up on the roof and have a look. Okay, so we've arrived up here on the roof. We've got our SolarEdge system here. We've gone maximum capacity we can for a residential site. So we've got 30 kilowatts of SolarEdge inverters, 30 kilowatt hours of batteries. We've got one 10 kilowatt Genesis on one phase, one 10 kilowatt Genesis on the other phase, and one 10 kilowatt energy hub with the batteries hung off that. So we've put all our priority circuits are all on that one phase. Our Energex requirements or DNSP requirements in Queensland, we can only have 30 kilowatts of inverter capacity. That's why we've chosen SolarEdge. So I'll just show you around a few things. So we do have three 10 kilowatt hour batteries all facing south, all on southern walls. We've got our three 10 kilowatt inverters. We've got the DC combiner box, which is needed when you're going with three batteries on one inverter. So if you're just using two batteries, you don't need that bit of kit from SolarEdge, but you do with three. Looks awesome, looks beautiful, looks neat. That's a big testament to the crew and the quality of the work these guys do up here. So we had a few challenges with the roof here. So it's a flat concrete roof, so there's always challenges with that. Main thing we wanted here was as much capacity as we could. So we've gone flat to roof, so we can get maximum capacity. You'll see that when we take the drone up and get you some good looking shots to have a look at. So we've used a Trina 440 watt panel. We got the SolarEdge Optimisers under each of those. There's a little bit of shading at this side. We've gone flat to roof to get as many panels as we can, as much power as we can up here, 33.4 kilowatts on a residential site, and with all that battery storage. Welcome back to Springers HQ. We're going to look at some data that we've collected now from the system at Bardon. On the screen here, you'll see today's data. So it's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. So we've just got half a graph coming through there. So currently the system's producing 5 kilowatts. We got 3.67 kilowatts going into the house, batteries at 61%, charging at 1.3 kilowatts. So this data here is live, so you can see it moving around as different things happen. I would say currently there's a little bit of cloud cover. This system, we can get right up to 30 kilowatts of production. If we go back to yesterday, we can see a bit more data. So this house is a large house. They're a heavy consumer of power. So you can see they've used 141 kilowatt hours consumption there yesterday. So we're getting about 22% still required from the grid. That could be overcome with some more batteries. So we've got 58% from the solar, 20% supply from the battery, so 78% self-sufficient. So yesterday we produced 144 kilowatt hours. Come down to the graph down here, you can see the orange is what he's had to actually purchase in from the network, and then you've got the load being covered, batteries being charged. So a wonderful thing about SolarEdge is you can look at this layout down to panel level. So we've put panels just about everywhere we could on this roof due to that large load. So we've got some panels that are getting some shade, but still generating enough power that it's worthwhile having them there. So your panel's got a 25-year warranty. So having this panel level data is a really good way of keeping your manufacturers honest. You can drill right down into it all. We do have some darker modules in there that is that shading, but nothing there that needs attention. So we love doing these videos for you. We can't wait to show you another one. Thanks for watching.